Hello friends, my name is Naveen and welcome you to my channel Snoopy Indian. So today we are going to do a review of this cycle. As you can see, we had just taken it out from our car boot and we have driven this cycle. So it is one of the best thing. You can take it anywhere, even in your small car. We have Alto 800, which is significantly small car. However, we are still able to take this cycle anywhere, wherever we wanted, and it is a very nice cycle, as you can see. So now my little girl is riding the cycle right now. So as you can see, okay, so she has gone like a little bit further. So I think it is one of the best cycle to have. You can either your kids can ride it, even you can ride it. So I'll show you like how I can ride this bicycle and how do I look. Okay, so if in case if you want to buy this, you can buy that as well. I'm so sorry because I'm outside, so the noise will be there and it will not be like again, as you can see, she has been driving it. Okay, so what I'll do is like now I will go ahead and ride the bicycle. Okay. So friend, as you have seen, like I was driving this bicycle as well. I ride this bicycle and it is among, I would say it is one of the best thing which you can have. It's a portable cycle. I bought it in 14,000 rupees from Decathlon store. It is called Tilt 100 and I really enjoy riding this bicycle, and even my daughter also likes to ride this cycle. So this is the end of the video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and you have a very nice day ahead. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.